In this video, we are going to find the percentage of delivery which are done as immediate. Hello, this is Jagan from Growth Data. I am posting this video to share my knowledge in SQL with you. If this assists you in your interview preparation anyways, I will be happy. Welcome to the 45th video of our SQL Interview series. This video will be tagged in SQL Interview Questions playlist and the code we discuss in this video will be uploaded to the GitHub. The link for the GitHub page will be in the video description part. Now let's see the data set and we can talk about the question in detail. So we are given a table delivery which got a delivery ID, the customer ID, order date and the preferred delivery date. Let's run this. In this table, delivery ID is the unique identifier. It gives you who is the customer who ordered the food and when is the order date and when is the preferred delivery date. If the order date and the preferred delivery date is the same, then we call it as a immediate delivery. And if its delivery date is greater than the order date, that means in the future if they want to deliver it, then it's called a scheduled delivery. Now what they're asking is we have to find the percentage of immediate order on each unique order date and round that to 2 decimal places. So if you see this, the order is on 14th and the delivery is on 15th. So it's a scheduled one. So we don't have to consider this. And next one is immediate, next one is immediate. And this one is a scheduled one. Next two are immediate. Here both are immediate. And for 5/17, this is a scheduled one and this is also scheduled one. So out of 4 days on May 14th, 2 are immediate and 1 is scheduled. So the percentage is going to be 66.6 percentage. Right? 1 is 33 percentage, so it's going to be 66. And same here, it's going to be 66.66 percentage. And this one, both are immediate. So this is going to be 100 percentage. And for this, both are scheduled. So this is going to be 0 percentage. So this is what the data is. So the expected output is going to be for every order date, we have to show what is the immediate percentage. Okay, so this is going to be 14, this is on 15th, this is on 16th, this is on 17th, right? So 16th is 100 percentage, 17th is 0 percentage, the other two are 2 by 3, right? 66 percentage. Okay, so now how to get this? So we have to do this in 3 steps. One is I have to know how much is the total order count. Second one is how much is the immediate order count. Then immediate order by total order give me the immediate order ratio. Then you convert that to a percentage. So those are the 3 steps I have to follow. Let's comment this out. Okay, so now we are going with the first step, which is the total order count. Select from the delivery table what I need for every order date, I want to find the count of distinct delivery ID as total delivery. Since I use aggregation, I have to go for group by order date. So if I run this, for 14 and 15, it's 3 orders, 16 and 17, it's 2 orders. Now I have to get the immediate orders. I can use this as a CT. Okay, we comment this out. I don't want to confuse it. Okay, so how will I find the immediate orders? Of all the deliveries, I need to have a condition where the delivery date or order date, the order date should be equal to the immediate customer preferred delivery date. Okay, if both are same, then it's going to be the immediate order and other things are the same. So if you see this on 14th and 15th, we got 2 orders which are immediate. 14th and 15th, we got 2 orders. On 16th, none of them. So 2 are immediate and 17th is none of them. right? So 17th, there is no data. Okay, now I am going to use both these SQL. I am going to use the total delivery as well as the immediate delivery. This is not total, this is immediate. Okay, let's copy this. I am going to create two CTE tables. The first one is for the total delivery as this is for total, and then I am going to say this is immediate. So I am getting the two data separate. Now I am going to say from delivery left join immediate orders, immediate delivery. So I say why we go for delivery as the first one and then left join immediate. Okay, we can talk about that after this. So the joining point is the order date. Order date is equal to d dot order date. So what I'm looking for, d dot order date, and the ratio is going to be the immediate delivery, which is from the immediate table, I dot this divided by the total delivery. Oh, total delivery is not a delivery table, this is called total delivery. So total delivery is the day CTE table which gives all the deliveries on a particular day, and immediate delivery is for all the dates what are the immediate delivery counts. Okay, now if I run this, this is immediate ratio, right? We haven't changed that to percentage yet. So here 14 and 15 I got 0.66 as the ratio. For 16 it's 1, for 17 it's null. So if it's null, that means we have to, so we have the immediate ratio now and we have the null value for 17. How will I address the null value? I can simply say the coalesce function, if the immediate delivery is 0, it's a null, then make it as 0. Now if I run it, the ratio is going to be 0. And then to make it a percentage, I can simply multiply this with 100, will give me the percentage, and they say round to 2 decimal place. So round to 2 decimal place. So this will give me the immediate order. So this is what is asked for, right? On 14, 15, 16 and 17, I got the ratio right. Now we got the answer, that's good. But if you see this, we are using the same table for almost, this is for no conditions and this is for one condition. So I am going to integrate this 2 into 1. Let's see how to do that. Let's keep this code. I'm going to take this code and I'm going to integrate that to a single code. I don't want the CTE table. So I have the order date. I have a count of the delivery ID as total delivery. The second one, I am doing the same count of delivery. Only condition is the order date should be equal to the customer preferred delivery date. So what I'm going to say, I just say same count star. I'm going to say it as immediate delivery percentage, right? So I'll say immediate percentage. It's supposed to change the column name. Okay, even here I can change that to immediate. Oops, sorry, not this. Instead of ratio, I say immediate percentage. Okay, so this is going to be the immediate delivery. So what is the condition I have to put? Find distinct of, this is the condition I have to use for immediate case when the order date is equal to the delivery date, then the delivery ID. So this is what the condition is, right? So that's what the filter condition is. I am going to put that in the case statement. So case when the order date is equal to delivery date, then you consider the delivery ID. If not, just leave it as null. And then I'm done with this condition. Then the calculation, count of immediate delivery and the total delivery. So this is what it is here and here. So instead of going for this, I'm directly going to say get me these two columns, and then I'll say count of this divided by count of the total delivery is going to give me the ratio, and then I have to multiply by 100 to give me the percentage, and then I'm going to round this to 2 decimal places to get me the immediate percentage as immediate percentage. So I don't need all this SQL. So I am going to do this in one part. Get me the count of total delivery, get me the count of immediate delivery, and then get me the ratio. Let me run this. Let me pull this out. And so I get the numbers here, 66%, 100 and 0. I don't want this details, right? The total delivery and this. I need only the immediate percentage. So I get the same answer, 66, 100 and 0. So only thing is, instead of doing 2 CTE table, I did that in one select statement. So instead of getting the count, I can even do the sum. So here I took the distinct of delivery ID. Instead of that, if I know that delivery ID is unique, right? So I don't need the distinct also. If it's not unique, then I can go for the distinct. Like customer ID, I can go for distinct. But here, instead of saying count, I can say no need for distinct. Case when the order date is equal to preferred delivery date, then you make it as 1, else 0. Now I have ones and zeros for the condition. Instead of count, I can say sum of. So whenever that order date is equal to delivery date, you get 1. So when you count all the 1, then you know how many are immediate. And if it's a scheduled one, it's going to be 0, right? So if you run this, you get the same result. So you have to know when to use the count, when to use the sum. Both are going to give the same answer in most of the scenarios, right? Okay. So first one is a brute force method. Never try this, the interview part of it, right? The second one is the right one. But there are cases then you don't have to use the count. You can also go for the sum. Both are having the same implications. So if you want to use this code for your practice, then you go to Grow with Data YouTube channel, and in the playlist, this is going to be in the SQL Interview Questions. And for every video, you have the corresponding GitHub link in the description part. If you click on this, it will take you to the GitHub related to that video. And ours is the 45th video, which will having this link. And you have the create statement, and you have the data which we analyzed and the output, and then we have the SQL. We have the brute force method, and then we use the count, and then we use the sum of. If you want to join the WhatsApp channel, there's a link here. You can use this and join the WhatsApp channel. And the code is good to practice. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.